Good to be running again, finally. We were able to get the Mark IV Super running again. Basically what happens is there's some type of circuit breaker inside the ECU. So on these ECUs, when you key off, it saves and it stays alive, unlike other ECUs where you have to save them. AEM tech support was able to help me. Basically, you just jump this and then flash on a new firmware and then reload your file. And then after that, it was able to start. Fortunately enough, I did all the troubleshooting already, and then with all the troubleshooting, that's what the advice that they gave me. Enabled a flash connector and then updated the new firmware, which took a little bit of work, and here we are back alive.